Okay. Oh, gee. Okay, attempt number 3. I don't even know where my old lives are. Okay. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. Trying to share my live stream, and I don't know how, which is really fun and cute for me. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, if it doesn't, I might have to just give up and cry myself to sleep. I think I might literally have to, well, maybe we could chat for a bit, but like, oh my God. This is like too much frustration. Okay. Is it better? Or choppy? No. I tried to make it lower. I tried to fix the latency. I tried to do so many things. I love not being able to test this stuff until you're live. What the heck? What the heck? And then it's not fun because then they can't see you either. Oh, man. I didn't notice it until I blasted. Yeah. Yeah. That's brutal. I'll have to try and figure that out, I guess. Is the sample rate of the mic and the audio the same? That's a good question. Well, yeah, it should be. It's like, it's one setting. It's only one setting that you can change. But my mic is on ALSA and my audio output is on Pulse Audio. So, yeah. Self-hosted streaming software could allow you to test. Oh yeah, I guess that's true. Well, but then like sometimes it comes down to like a latency thing. I don't know. Maybe it could. I should probably ask Theo. He knows these things. He knows audio things. I don't know anything about audio. I just want to code and stuff. I just want to code. You know what I mean? I expected everything to go at least Pulse. Maybe Elsa is like the problem. I would assume that it's the Pulse Audio because I think Elsa is like the newer version or something. It's or like a newer, again, literally know nothing about audio. Let me code. Yeah, exactly. Like, hello? Well, that's unfortunate. I got a lot of work done though. But now I'm in this weird state where I'm like, I've had too much caffeine, but then I'm also tired. And so it's just very hard for me to focus right now. Oh, Elsa's the OG Linux audio thing. Oh, maybe that's a problem. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, hold on. Okay, now we're on Pulse Audio. And then now maybe because they're both on Pulse Audio, it's going to be different. I'm totally gaslighting myself. Maybe because they're both on Pulse Audio. Oh, Elsa is better? Is it? How is it? Oh, I hate that for us. You guys, I hate that. I hate that. I should have tried that first before making 3 streams and losing everyone because I confused them. I'm sorry. Okay. I do feel like that's tested my last thread of patience. You know what I mean? I'm exhausted. So what is the solution? It's because my audio input was using ALSA and my audio output was using Pulse Audio. And when they're both Pulse Audio, no problem. But when they're both different, it has problems. Oh, gee, man. I don't even know why I did that. You know what I mean? Like questioning my life choices here. Hold on, I'm just gonna like delete this VOD that doesn't need to exist. When do you usually stream, either here or on Twitch? I actually don't have much of a schedule right now. I kind of just stream when I can. I guess when I do stream, I normally will start streaming between like 8 and 10 a.m. Pacific. So like LA time. And usually on weekdays. I don't really stream on weekends that much anymore, especially if I'm trying to do videos and stuff. It's just like the only shot that I have is like not on a weekend. Sorry, the only shot that I have to film is usually on weekends. That's what I was trying to say. I do have a day job. Yeah, like we're doing Pomodoro and I'm working on my work stuff during the work session. And then on my breaks, I'm debugging Linux audio, which is super cute and fun. Hello? Yeah. It's fun. It's fun. Yeah, I think for me, I'm just not... Maybe if I was more of a social butterfly, I could do like full-time content creation. It's just... I don't think it's just not for me. It's just not for me, but I enjoy it. You know? I just don't think that I could make myself available all the time in that way. Like I'm too much of a I'm too much of a goblin. I like to just be like hermiting and hiding away, looking gross, doing coding and not talking to anyone. You know what I mean? I'm not actually social enough to like do this all the time. Uh-oh. What just happened? Did the audio break? Audio is good. Oh my god, I'm seeing so many conflicting things. He's just trying. Okay. Oh god, I can't. Linux audio is the bane of my existence. Okay. I don't like talking to people. Yeah, but you guys have to I just say what I want and then you guys just people happy, you know? It's fine. But even streaming, yeah, like I can't stream. Sometimes I do stream all the time and then I take a break. I don't know. I like it a lot as a hobby though. But I don't really like doing sponsored stuff. Like anything that would give me any kind of monetization from it, I just don't like doing. I'd much rather get paid to code. Unless I think I could see myself being a full-time content creator if I was doing it to like be able to code open source all the time. Like if I wanted to program in open source full time, I would probably stream every day as like my office. That's like me showing up to work, you know what I mean? I'd probably stream every day and then like make videos on what's been happening in open source. But yeah. I just like coding. And I'm too private. I overthink a lot of that. Well, probably for good reason, but like, yeah. I overthink a lot of that stuff. So like even if I'm traveling and stuff like that, yeah, I'm not really the type to do like the day in the life vlogs and stuff like that. I just don't feel comfortable doing that. Please feed me, I'm hungry. You should have chicken strips or fish and chips. Those are my cravings today. If you're doing programming as a job, don't you basically code for food? You're not wrong. Yeah. Yeah. Where do you work? I work at Charm. Record it and publish a travel 6 months later. I know. You know what's funny is I actually fully vlogged my GitHub Universe stuff, and then I just edited it and I forgot about it and never published it. And I still have all the footage. I lost the edits, so I just have the footage. Then I'm like, who would watch this? Like, I'm watching it and I'm like, who would watch this? Then in reality, like, I watch those videos of other people, and yet when it's my own, I'm like, this is so boring. You need an NAS? I use external drives for all the content stuff. Do you still use Tmux or did you move to Zellage? I still use Tmux, but I don't use it that much. To be honest, I find I might get back to using a terminal multiplexer if I were to switch from Kitty. I'm finding Kitty has tabs, whatever. I can do split panes and stuff like that in Kitty. I'm not finding that I'm reaching for Tmux a whole lot, but I will still reach for it as my kind of default if I'm wanting to connect. If I was going to do dev work on my desktop from my laptop, I would be using Tmux. You know what I'm saying? Does Charm do other things other than create open source apps and libraries? Not right now. Like, what do you mean? What other things? Like conquer the world? World domination? It's our side hustle. Yeah. Have you ever tried Nix Package Manager / Nix OS? I have not. Although, have I heard of it? Yes. Is our Discord server named Bash Bunny's Nix Jail? It might be. It might be. There's a non-zero chance. Invading Italy specifically, I actually don't know where the majority. I think the majority of our users are American. It's like very all over the place. Gophers are worldwide. Mr. Worldwide. That's whoever built Go. I guess they're asking Charm revenue model if it's FOSS packages. Yeah. That's nice. I don't feel like talking about it. I'm just no. You know what I mean? As in taking clients and creating proprietary software for them or sell as SaaS. I don't know. You should ask Charm. Ask on the Charm YouTube channel and then maybe I'll answer. Or like in the Discord or something. But I don't feel like talking about it right now. That's bold of you, Icarus. Why not use Rust to create a kernel driver for her printer? Oh, I hate printers. Don't talk to me about printers. I have trauma from printers. Charm Codebase is 100% Go. It sure is. It sure is. Go shop. It's almost 12 a.m. here and I don't regret being here. Oh, well, it's nice having you here. Hi, Teapot. Hi, Cow. Hello, hello. Yeah, we're just gonna, the title is kind of a lie now. Sitting and talking about software. Because I don't think I'm gonna do another Pomodoro. I am like way too restless and chaotic. I need light in here. I need natural light in here. I need to like open up these drapes and like have light. Sitting and chatting about software. There you go. Reminder that Canon doesn't let you scan without printers. Wait, what? Are you serious? That's so messed up. That's so annoying. I hate technology. I hate hardware. Does it on my Canon Pixel? That's actually so cursed. And your Epson too? I'm so sorry. That's actually brutal. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you guys, there's so much to learn in tech. Why? That's my thoughts today. There's so much to learn in tech. I'm tired. I don't want to learn. Can I just be dumb instead? Can I just hire someone from Stack Overflow to just do for me? You know what I mean? Why? Why is there so much to learn? I'm tired. I don't want to learn anymore. I'm done. I'm checked out. That's all I got. And then tomorrow I'm going to be like, you know what I should learn? 5 new languages. Yes. Let me just full send Haskell tomorrow. But today I'm tired. I even had a matcha latte. I really thought that'd kick me in the ass and I'd get a bunch done. But no, that's not what happened. I want to take a nap. It reminds me of, like, have you guys seen Ali Wong? Do you know her? The comedian? Just deployed my first Python service. God, how much TensorFlow worked with Go. Oh, what's TensorFlow? What did you use that for? Anyway, Ali Wong is hilarious. But anyway, there's this book. There was this book. Okay, hold on. Let me look it up so I can describe it accurately to you. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So she did this bit on this book that's by Sheryl Sandberg, and it's called Lean In. Women, Work, and the Will to Lead is a 2013 book encouraging women to assert themselves at work and at home, co-written by business executive Sheryl Sandberg and media writer Nell Scovell. Okay, so her bit on this, she's like, I don't want to lean in. I want to lie down. As a woman, I just want to be sponsored. I want to be a stay-at-home wife. And I just want to lie down. And sometimes there's days where I really relate to that. Yeah. I'm like, well, I could take a nap right now. Never heard TensorFlow? Well, I have, but, like, have I looked into it? No. No, I have not. Oh, machine learning? Oh, okay. When Emacs instead of NeoVim, I am actually going to do a stream where I try out Emacs. And then I'll probably make it into, like, a condensed little video. I still don't get how people on Stack Overflow know all that. If it's not in the docs or some obscure help article on Google, I can't figure it out. I think it depends. I feel like I've gotten much more used to reading source code if it's available. I've gotten better at reading docs. But yeah, sometimes I'm like, I don't want to look at the man pages. Like, I just want to, like, is the answer there? Yes. Can I understand what they're trying to tell me in the man pages? No. Sometimes yes, but sometimes no. I don't know what's going on over there. I kind of understand it, but then I'm like, I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. Bash, housewife, napper, dog walker, Stack Overflow guys. Yeah, I'm single-handedly employing all of the Stack Overflow top contributors to code for me on stream. So I can sit back and take the credit. Ali Wong is so funny. Yeah, she's so good. Waiting excitedly to see you configure Emacs. I'm probably gonna cry. I gotta find a good day for it. Today I don't know. No. It's a no from me. Man pages are as accurate as the last time someone was forced to update them for perp. Oh no. Yeah, they're rough. They're tough sometimes. Sometimes I'm just like, do you want me to know? I don't think you do. Like in theory, you wrote the pages, so like maybe like in theory you want people using this and you want people knowing how to use your software, but in actuality, I don't think anyone can read this. I'm gonna have to get a lawyer and get them to read it. I can't read this. Yeah, like do you pay people to read this? Is that how that happens? Like what? Emacs has woman, so we're promoting gender equality. There you go. I'm here for Nick's OS propaganda. Well, you should definitely be in the Discord. For the record. Why are they even called man pages, huh? What about some 2023 Linux? Yeah, I know. For real, honestly. It's just not, it's not for me. They're not made for me. You know? That must be it. It's probably because I'm not a man that I can't understand it. That's a joke, for the record. A joke. In case there's anyone in chat who's new here and does not understand my sense of humor. A joke. If the user can't understand what we're saying, then they're not smart enough to use the software. Yeah, I feel that. I feel like there are actual projects that really follow that philosophy. Imagine after trying to make Bunny Max. Yeah, for real. That's bait. It is bait. Any thoughts on ChatGPT/AI for development, security flaws on its responses, etc.? Yeah. I don't even want to know how many people have spilled their company secrets to ChatGPT, and it's now just chilling in their database, like ready and willing to give it to anyone who has the right query for it. You know what I mean? I don't know. I think it's I honestly, I don't use it. I'm not huge into the AI tools. I don't find like ever since OpenAI required you to have a phone number, and since being Canadian means that we don't have Google Voice, and I've been too lazy to get another fake phone number. I haven't used it. I haven't found a use case for it. I don't know. My brain works fine, mostly. Maybe if I hit my head really hard, I'd really need it. But so far I'm okay. Mostly. Maybe I could come up with better names for my variables and stuff. So, how easy is it to get a job in the industry with a CS degree? I have 15 years of experience working in proprietary languages, which are essentially overlays of C. I regularly write stuff in Node too. I think I've heard that it's not that easy. I honestly think that a lot of it has to do with like networking. I think that networking is such a big part in like what lands you a good job. But that's been my experience, at least. Networking and experience and willingness to learn. But like the thing is too is like it so depends on where you're hoping to work and stuff like that, because like I could give advice that has helped me find jobs at places where I felt really comfortable, but then it might not be a comfortable space for someone else. You know what I mean? Like sometimes people want that like super competitive work environment, and like that's not me. So like that's why when I'm giving any kind of advice of like how to kind of like, people ask me how to kind of present themselves in interviews and stuff like that in a way. They're like, I'm like, I don't know, if you don't know something, then don't try and pretend like you do. Just say, hey, I'm not sure, but like I'd love to know. If you know, please let me know, you know? And I've found that having kind of that more down to earth, like humble attitude has helped me find employers where that's what they seek out from their hires. So you kind of end up in a work environment where that's a safe thing to do, versus if you really fought that or like, yeah, you really fought that kind of behavior, I think you would probably land a job somewhere where it's a little more taboo. So I think it's kind of silly when people say that it's like one way is always the best way, because I think with people it's like it's all just people stuff. Oh my god, damn, that's so funny. Holy shit. I meant without a CS degree. I think it's the same regardless. I think the CS degree can help filter, like there's a lot of kind of automated filtering that happens. But at a certain point, as long as you can get your foot in the door and get some experience without a CS degree, and maximize your work experience. And I think this is what I would suggest, is like being really good at communicating what it is how you've brought value, and in a very kind of like tangible way. Like if you can provide actual numbers to back up how you added value, even if it's like kind of an estimate, that's, people like that. Instead of just saying like, you know, automated this, which saved us money. It's like saved 20% of our resource expenditure because this task was automated. Like something that, you know what I mean? Y'all don't know, we don't have Google Voice in Canada. It's like only USA. Pretty sure. Chat Jippity. Thank you. I'll say that next time. Did you know that 30 minutes after midnight man command return give me as an Easter egg? 30 minutes after midnight man. Wait, 30 minutes after midnight man commands return to give me as an Easter. Wait, no, I did not know that. I did not know that. I'm constantly fighting Copilot, telling myself it will increase my productivity, but I never accept its suggestions as is. Like, I don't use Copilot either. I don't think I use, the closest thing that I get to using AI is just like probably some Google algorithm. You know what I mean? That's it. If you hear a fart on coworkers' heads, I hear if you fart on coworkers' heads, you can go to work at a certain major game company, so your space very much varies. Oof, I don't want to work there. Smells bad. I can smell it from here. Oof. What do you mean networking is hard? Just do DFS on your network. When are we going to see a Neo fetch with a Bash Bunny logo? Well, I have my, hold on. Oh my god, I can't type either. There you go. Oh, wait. Hold on. Got that. I just increased our website speed by 400%. You commented out the delay you added last week. I mean, you're not wrong though. What are your thoughts on Flutter? I have not tried Flutter, so I don't really have thoughts on it. The GitHub neon lamp is nice. It's pretty nice, isn't it? Yeah, it's pretty good. It was very expensive though. I think it was like 200 US, which was someone with Monopoly dollars, aka Canadian money. That was a lot of money. Do I have regrets? Like almost, maybe a little. The heart was covering my comment. With love, do you just do man with any command? Or a specific man page? Wait, I don't know what's going on. They're talking about the GitHub sign. Yeah. I use Copilot if I can't find something on Google or Stack Overflow, and it works sometimes. Oh, that makes sense. That's nice. Are you married? I try and keep my personal life private. Just because I can make it... It's still the internet, you know what I mean? I can make it not safe, especially when there's a parasocial dynamic. I can make it not safe for my loved ones, so I just keep my personal life separate. I've seen what there's some bigger female streamers that have like a public relationship, like I guess their boyfriends are like content creators and stuff as well, and like they announce that they're in a relationship or like whatever, it gets like, and they literally like the guy gets like death threats like actually there's people like, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. How to find a girl who loves Linux? Ooh, I don't know. My only female friends that are involved in coding or like tech world at all are all online. So, but there are probably some that go to like in-person events and stuff like that. I just fought my auto driver. Yeah, honestly, it's brutal. Brutal. I do hate Linux right now. Don't tell anyone, but I believe the Primogen has a beautiful wife. Dude, she's actually goated at Apex. Not gonna lie. There was like one time we were playing Apex off stream, and his wife was on the mouse and he was on like controls. And I was like, I could never. I don't have that kind of... I could never. Take it easy, Icarus. Don't shit. I mean, not everyone has to like everyone, but like bear in mind, he's also a very close friend of mine. So any kind of shit talking, this is like not the place. All the Linux women I knew worked at Fangs. Probably. Maybe. How does Prime have time for gaming if he works 60 hours a week and then does all the streaming? He doesn't. Every once in a while. It's not like a regular thing. It's just like every once in a while we're actually able to play games. It's only a couple hours or something like that. It's not crazy. I meant more the energy level. Yeah. I think it's like some people need that. You know how they say like opposites attract? Sometimes it's just like someone super high energy will be with someone super chill. Sometimes both are super high energy though. And that's a lot as well. But I think it's good. Is Android real Linux? I don't think that makes sense. Suffice to say, I slept on the couch that night. Wait, my girlfriend won't upgrade from Windows XP, so I put her on Linux with no GUI? What? Oh my god. That's hilarious. Android's kind of creepy. I remember I'd like talk on the phone with one of my friends or something like that. When I had an Android phone, I'd talk on the phone with one of my friends or something, and then I'd see like all my ads would change based on the conversation that we just had. And I was like, oh, well, thank you for that. Discovered any new Neovim plugins recently? No, I haven't really been tinkering with my setup very much. I have not. I've just been enjoying what I have. Can I be mod? You're mod bad. Uh-oh. My mods are my knights in shining armor. Careful. Alright. You guys, I actually think I'm going to end stream. I thought I could do Pomodoros today, and it turns out that I cannot because I'm simultaneously exhausted and too high energy. So it's a whole thing. Yeah. Fave Linux distro right now. I like Pop! OS. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, they have a version of Pop! OS that's like specifically for NVIDIA graphics cards. So if you just want like a very low maintenance Linux distro, it's pretty decent. That's what it's like. It's supported by System 76, like it's their OS, so it's pretty decent. Yeah, it's pretty good. But if you want something that's like more of a side project, maybe NixOS. So everyone's loving it. It's like the new Rust. Nobody can shut up. They're either a Rust developer or they're a Nix user or they're both. And then What do they mention first? Nix or Rust? I don't know. Elementary OS. That's like that was the first Linux distro I tried. It was quite, because it was similar looking to Mac OS. All right, you guys. I'm just going to end stream now. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Yeah. Thanks for hanging out. Just wanted to hang out on YouTube for a bit and let you guys all know that I'm alive. And the videos will be back soon. I just have some personal stuff that I need to be present for. And yeah, that's the priority right now. But I will be back with more content, hopefully fairly soon. But yeah. Bye, guys. Thanks for doing a Pomodoro with me. Sorry, I'm so tired. Okay, bye. Boring? No, you. Actually, what's boring is my Stack Overflow guy didn't show up, so I had to do another co-working stream. For the record, if you don't follow me on Twitter... Actually, no, it actually happened... Oh, that's so awkward. It's Pseudo Bunny is my username. What's boring is my Stack Overflow guy didn't show up again, so I had to do a co-working stream because I don't actually code. For the record, I hire someone to do the coding, and then I just sit there as clickbait. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.